Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in China. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements, which typically include a valid job offer and relevant qualifications. Next, begin collecting all the required documents, such as your passport, educational certificates, and a clean criminal record check. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth application process. We will cover each step in detail to help you navigate the system effectively. To proceed, you will need several key documents. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. You also need to provide your highest academic degree and any relevant professional qualification certificates. Additionally, a recent clean criminal record check, authenticated by the Chinese embassy or consulate, is mandatory. Ensure all documents are translated into Chinese by an approved agency. The application process begins with your prospective employer in China applying for a notification letter of work permit on your behalf. Once approved, you will use this letter to apply for a Z visa at a Chinese embassy or consulate in your home country. After arriving in China, you must register your temporary residence with the local Public Security Bureau within 24 hours. This is a critical step for all foreign nationals. Upon arrival, you will need to undergo a medical examination at a designated health center in China. Following a successful medical check, you must convert your Z visa into a residence permit for work within 30 days of entry. This permit allows you to legally live and work in China for the duration of your employment. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to make your transition even smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.